Hello and welcome to another Streamerbot tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to add a bot to your stream. The first step that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Twitch and you want to make a second Twitch account. And then you're going to want to be logged into your account. Let's get into Streamerbot. Log into that second account on Twitch, and then you're going to want to go to platforms, and I'm just going to use my other account. So we're going to hit login, and it's going to bring you here, and then you're going to authorize it, and that's all good. And that's it. You have a bot. Now since this is just going to be a super short video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your bot talk in chat, or like custom commands and stuff. Also, did you know that you can add your chat to Streamerbot or OBS? Where's pop out? You need to grab that. Copy. Go here. Go to docs. Go to custom browser docs. I'm going to call this chat. And then we're going to paste the URL here. Apply. And you can why won't it dock? We'll put it here. Oh wait. Don't worry, I'll figure it out. I figured it out. Don't you worry. I got it. Okay. I don't know how to make that dark mode though. Okay, that's much better. Okay. So now we have our chat here. And it's in follower mode only. Whatever. But you can add your chat there. That was quite the detour. And so we're going to go into Streamerbot now, go into our actions, and we are going to add, let's say like in our follow alert, we want to add a message that says thank you for following from our bot. And we can just go ahead and right click, go to Twitch, chat, send a message to channel, and we can either pick our bot or broadcast. Then we just be like, thank you for following % user. And when we go to test our trigger, I put it at the very bottom, so it's going to take us... Yep, see? There it is. It's up there. And that's it. There's one thing that I'd like to point out. If you do like a raid message, so we can go here, and we'll call this raid message. And we'll group it under raid. I would use your account for the raid message because you can use your own emotes and your bot can't use your emotes without it being subscribed. So I would use your own account on that, and you just do that by changing it to broadcaster instead. Anyhow, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, follow my Twitch at twitch.tv/Rollison. Thank you. Goodbye. Wow.